My name is Sivakumar. I'm from Hyderabad. Let me brief me myself about myself. Basically, I'm very much passionate about food field. In fact, earlier I'm a government employee actually. Due to this passion, I left that job and I started my career in 2012. Almost 8 years I'm there in this field. And now we started giving franchises by name Asli Roll. The main concept of the Asli Roll will be rolls, chicken chop, and then desserts will be there. These are the menu items, main course. Under again, each and every category, you will be having variant items. In rolls, you will be having veg, paneer, like that it will be. So many, altogether near about 40 to 50 items will be there in the menu. All are affordable range, maximum 30-40 rupees se shuru, okay, up to 100 the menu range will be. So now we got two outlets in Hyderabad at the moment, and very soon we are planning to expand our business in Pan India, not only in Hyderabad, Pan India. In Hyderabad, we are planning to start this in FOCO model, franchisee owned, company operated. So whoever is coming as a franchisee, they need not to worry at all. Just they need to invest the amount, and rest all will take care of everything regarding operations and other stuff. And this is our logo, Asli Roll. So Asli Roll is a brand based out of Hyderabad, and to create a legitimate platform for talented, independent street food businesses to improve the quality of food served on Indian streets, and to create a delicious and fun experience to everyone, whoever is associated with us. So, and in this model, what we'll do, like revenue sharing will be there. So once after investing that, we'll give after taking out all the expenditure of the kiosk or QSR, you will be shared a profit ratio of 60-40, like 60 to the investor and 40 to the franchisor, or 24% on the net investment we are giving the minimum guarantee. That is the minimum guarantee which we are giving, whichever is higher in this. So this brand is founded by myself and my wife, Madala Swati. So this lady is very passionate about the food industry, driven at a great combination of sharp business brain, strong leader, and big vision to become a successful woman entrepreneur. So we are an organization dedicated to the incubation and acceleration of India's most promising street food businesses based out of Hyderabad. We believe that the food on our streets should be filled with incredible, diverse, good flavor, and that the talented traders behind it should have the best chance possible to do what they love, develop their businesses, and ultimately succeed from the brand. So these are the some of the highlight points related to our franchisee. So there is a minimum guarantee business model is there in this, and we got a strong supply chain, and then best in class quality. We got more than 50 products in the menu, known for the best quality of the food products. And we get a tie-up with the best suppliers in the market also. So we did use R&D in this almost more than 1.5 year. We did entire R&D in the market. We did the case study also with the market and all. So then we started implementing this concept. So we had an excellent margin in this model, and we get a standard operating procedure in all aspects. So you need not to worry about the professional chefs or something. We got everything is SOP is there. Standard operation procedure will be there. Just you need to follow the that procedure to implement the things. So this menu and these items will be very simple and healthy and delicious taste to increase the footfalls. So regular research and development to provide new mouth-watering products. Not only this, will keep adding the menu, like additions and deletions will be there based on the market conditions, and whatever the new upcoming products will be there, will be keep implementing the things, because customers should not be bored with the same and routine menu. So, and it's a unique concept targeted to a huge market. See, we got a case study of this thoroughly in the entire Hyderabad market and pan India, not only in Hyderabad. See, we have like the if it is a kiosk model, we have some certain like that placement will be in front of the supermarkets, or else IT companies, or else cinema theaters, and we do have IT sales, various IT companies. We do have some tie-ups with the local supermarkets. In Hyderabad, one of the best supermarket in Hyderabad is Ratnadeep. In fact, we got the tie-up with them. Talks are going on only because of the premises size. It is under hold actually. They are asking for 4 by 6 and we are asking for 6 by 6. That was the reason it is under hold now. So very soon it is going to resolve, and due to lockdown, it got so we are planning to implement this in front of the supermarkets, cinema theaters, and IT segments, and in various educational institutions, group of institutions like universities, etc., etc. We can implement this model, and yeah, it's a lifetime training support we can give. Everything will be will provide all the training and support from our end. We got high quality, attractive product line and a unique fast food come dining experience. So in these, we got two models. As I said, we got kiosk model as well as QSR, quick service restaurant. In the quick service restaurant, we'll be having dining facility also with the same menu. Only that dining facility and other facilities will be there in that. Whereas in kiosk, it will be kind of only takeaway. Small dabba kind of will be there, and then customer will be taking out, or else they can sit there and they can take it. And we get highest standard supply system. And regarding billing, as it is a FOCO model, so many people might be having the doubts and other stuff. So we get the transparent pricing and billing. So whatever the material is getting distributed, dispersed from the our centralized kitchen, everything will be monitored, and you will be get a web access to that particular outlet. If you are owning a franchisee with a FOCO model, wherever you are in India, you need not to be in not only in Hyderabad. If you are from Mumbai or if you are from Delhi or wherever, you can invest the amount. That entire documentation part will be on your name. Instead of you, will run the show. So we'll take care of all the manpower, material procurement, labor related, professionals, everything will take care. Advertising, everything will be taken care by us. Just investment will be yours. Operation will be us. And in this, we got a cloud-based software also. So that access will be given. So you can monitor in time intervals or regularly also. If you are free, you can regularly, you can keep checking the things, what is happening in the particular store, whichever is allocated to you. And these are the advantages of the Asli Roll franchise. So it's a very low cost and high return business you will get. So like you need to invest near 4.5 to 5 lakhs for the kiosk model. If it is a QSR, near about 6 to 7 lakhs, the investment will be there. And you will get 24/7 brand support. It is an established brand. We got since 7 to 8 years in the industry, in the food industry itself. And we believe in 100% transparency. So whatever the material is dispersing from here, everything will be recorded and it will be visible to you also. There is no hide and seek, everything. So suppose if I send some 50 rolls from here, the raw material of the for the 50 rolls, it will be replicated in the system. So you can monitor from anywhere. So what and all item has been dispatched for particular outlet today, and what is the sale, what is the left out, everything you can check. And it's an unlimited growth opportunity for whoever is investing for this, and you will get quick ROI also. ROI, you will get maximum 18 to 24 months, you will get the returns. And then we'll give staff training and support by the brand. We'll do the entire help in marketing and everything. We'll take care of digital marketing as well as media marketing, whatever the marketing and advertisement taken care by us. You need not to worry at all. And local PR also will influence the support also. And marketing strategy. We got corporate offers will be there, and then print media will be there, digital media, and visual media, voice media, events. We got expertise team in this particular field. So we got, as I said, two models will be there in this. That kiosk model, the investment will be between 4.5 to 5 lakhs. If it is QSR model, the investment will be 6 to 7 lakhs. So ROI, as I said, it will be the 60%. So after removing all the expenditure like raw material cost, and then employee salary, rent, electricity bill, GST, etc., all expenditure. After removing all the expenditure, whatever the net profit will be there, that will be shared in a 60-40 ratio. And the coming to area, see, if it is kiosk, the area size will be, requirement will be 6 by 6, and that premises also will check the premises and will take care of entire premises procurement, everything. You need not to worry at all. So we do have some certain tie-ups with the various companies like Ratnadeep Supermarket, and then some Asian malls, some theaters will be there by name Asian in Hyderabad. So we got tie-ups with them. So we'll get it done, and in front of Big Bazaar, like that, we do have some tie-ups with them. So wherever that feasibility and crowd-based thing is there, then we'll implement the project. So now at the moment we got two outlets. One is at Vidyanagar, it's near Usmania campus in Hyderabad, and one more we got in front of the Creamstone of Himayat Nagar. We got two outlets currently, and upcoming also one more outlet is there. It's under process. Due to this corona, it got struck actually. So actually coming to this franchisee fee, within this 5 lakhs itself, the franchisee fee in general we are charging 1 lakh plus 18% of the GST. But due to this corona crisis and other things, we are offering like instead of 1 lakh, we are charging only 50%. That is 50,000 plus GST. Whoever is enrolling by this June 30th or before that. That too on a first come first serve basis. So we'll take care of all the equipments. Equipments ka bare mein bhi will take care, and then premises also will take care, and furniture fixers, and then advertisement, everything will be taken care by us. So once after taking this all equipment expenditure and all that bills will be submitted to you guys. Whoever is investing, for them bills also will be submitted. And then this is our menu. We got various rolls, and then desserts and chicken chop. These are the products: rolls, chicken chops, and muffins. We got mousse, brownie with ice cream, like that. So many. And besan laddu, we got some expertise product. Badam milk is there. So many other items also will be there in the menu. These are the images of our menu: ice creams and other things. Both we got veg and non-veg menu. See, this is a process for the franchisee appointment. आपको ये franchisee लेना चाहिए तो then this is the procedure. So first, you need to sign on the application with the minimum amount as a token advance or whatever, and then we'll provide the letter of intent for that, and then we'll start searching the location, and we'll get the approvals from the concerns, and even we'll give the multiple locations options to the investor. If we got some 3 to 4 locations optional in our hand, basically, or we can inform them these are the options available, so they can choose their own. So अपने आप मर्जी से हम लोग चूज कर सकते हैं अपना. And then basic site work and vendor payments will be done after that, phase wise. And then final payments, पूरा सबका payment हो जाएगा, and then local support will start, and we'll start recruiting the people and training देगा उसको. And then pending documents, photograph, and like basic license will be required, like FSSAI, trade license, etc. Will take care of everything, and letter of appointment you will get. After that, launch will be there, that is inauguration. So for more details, you can contact this number, even it is my WhatsApp also. And then this is our website, and this is the mail ID, official mail ID of ours, franchisee@asliroll.com. ना वेबसाइट का नाम है www.asliroll.com. So this is our address. We are staying at Vidyanagar. Yes, if you have any doubts or anything, you can please go ahead and you can clarify your doubts. And I'm very sorry, this is my first webinar, so I was quite nervous and
ओके यस, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप वो के रेज हैंड कर दीजिए. यस डबल प्लीज सर आप कीजिए.
हेलो.
यस सर.
हेलो.
यस सर.
हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही मेरी?
या आवाज आ रहा सर, बट डिस्टर्बेंस इज देयर.
हाँ सर. हेलो. हाँ जी सर.
या
सर, एक तो ये मेरा पूछना है, इसमें फ्रेंचाइजी फीस क्या रही है आपकी?
Sir, in this, in general, we are charging 1 lakh plus GST. But due to this Corona crisis and all, for this June 30th till June 30th, we are offering 50,000 plus GST. That is altogether, it will be 59,000 will be the franchisee fee.
Okay.
Within
और
the
दूसरा
5 lakhs itself.
जी. दूसरा मेरा क्वेश्चन है, जो आपका रॉ मटेरियल है वो आप वहां से सेंड करोगे या हम हमारे लोकल वेंडर से हम मैनेज कर पाएंगे?
नहीं सर, see, if it is in Hyderabad, entire stores are operated by us only.
मैं सर पंजाब से बात कर रहा हूँ, तो पंजाब के लिए मेरी क्वेरी थी.
Yeah, if it is from Punjab, we can do one thing. We can go ahead with the master franchisee. So all the recipes and standard operation procedure, everything will be settled from Hyderabad itself. Being a master franchisee, you can start giving the franchisee.
नहीं सर, मैं अगर सिंगल आउटलेट के लिए बात करूँ तो
सिंगल आउटलेट के लिए बोले तो we can do that also, sir. But minimum we need 2 to 3 outlets in that case. That is the reason we are talking about master franchisee.
Okay.
So
तो ऐसा है ना सर, स्टार्टिंग तो एक सी होगी, आप शुरू करेंगे तो तभी एक सेटअप बनेगा, तो आगे दो सेटअप उसको लेके चलेंगे. अगर आप स्टार्ट ही नहीं करोगे, आप शुरू नहीं करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा उसके?
Yeah, sure sir, definitely we will do that. You are interested in a kiosk model or QSR, sir?
QSR मैं डाइन के लिए आपके साथ
Oh, okay.
दोनों तरह देख सकता हूँ, टेक अवे के लिए और क्लाउड किचन के लिए, या आपका सिटिंग भी हो जाए उसमें, डाइनिंग के लिए भी चल जाएगा.
Yeah, actually, the main advantage of the kiosk means, don't think otherwise. See, wherever we are placing the kiosk, if it is not performing well or something, we can relocate to somewhere else. Whereas in Cheddar and all, after investing for the interiors and all, it's quite difficult to move. Customer only should come to that place. That is the main advantage of the kiosk. That is
Okay.
the difference. And in a QSR, you get a good advantage that seating and ambience, everything will be there. Whereas in kiosk, only kada kada karke, then you need to. It's kind of completely street food kind of. It will be like
जी.
the locations will be suitable, like in front of supermarkets, अच्छा crowd area, जिधर आपका crowd जमा होता है particular area में, वैसा
सर
जगह
अगर
में
मैं
आप देख लिया तो then it will be good for you.
मैं अगर ये बोलूं, मैं कोई कैफे रन कर रहा हूँ ऑलरेडी,
Okay, sir.
तो उसमें मैं आपके साथ जुड़ना चाहूँ, तो ये कंसेप्ट कैसे रहेगा इसके अंदर? मेरे पास
So,
कारपेट एरिया, सपोज मैं कहूँ 600 स्क्वायर फीट है कारपेट एरिया मेरा.
okay, what is your existing product, sir? मतलब आप क्या
उसमें सर मेरे पास पिज्जा, पास्ता, सैंडविचेस, ये
Okay,
चीजें हैं. साउथ इंडियन में डोसा चल रहा है, चाइनीज में है कुछ आइटम्स.
okay,
तो उसमें
like
मैं ऐड ऑन करना चाहूँ, ब्रांड आपका ब्लिंक कर दूंगा, ब्रांडिंग आपकी हो जाएगी, उसके अंदर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
नहीं, we can provide all the recipes from Hyderabad itself.
जी.
So आपका बंदा को we can provide the training also to them.
कोई इशू नहीं सर, कोई इशू नहीं है.
Yeah.
तो इसके लिए आप अभी पंजाब के लिए इंटरेस्टेड हैं, या मैं ये मान के चलूं, मैं कॉल करना चाहूँ तो कर
Yeah,
सकता हूँ
yeah,
आपको?
sure, sir, definitely. Already आपको existing premises है बोले ना, then
जी
it will
जी
be very easy to you also. So already
जी
you, if availability is there, then some of the equipments you can use existing also. Suppose
जी जी.
freezer is there, आपके
डीप
पास
फ्रीजर,
already,
फ्रीजर्स, एवरीथिंग
already,
इज अवेलेबल है.
yeah, already freezer है समझिए, आपको investment भी बहुत कम हो जाएगा.
किचन इज अराउंड 350 स्क्वायर फीट.
Yeah, it's both more than sufficient, sir. We are going to put entire setup in a 6x6. That is 36 SFT में पूरा setup करने वाला है.
लैपटॉप,
Kiosk.
सीसीटीवी, एवरीथिंग, एसी, एयर कंडीशन, everything is fitted in my premises.
Yeah, then it will be very easy, sir. And our flavors and pricing wise also, it will be very reasonable pricing will be there. So
I
kindly.
want to pick your recipe, your taste in my city.
Yeah, sure, definitely, sir.
हाँ.
Definitely.
Thank you very much. मैं कॉल करूंगा, नंबर आपका मैंने सेव कर लिया. I will
Sure.
call you later.
Sure, sir, definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
यस, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए. किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए. यस सर, अनम्यूट कीजिए अपनी तरफ से.
हेलो
यस सर, बोलिए.
सर, इसके रॉयल्टी कितना है आपका?
सर अभी फिलहाल we are charging 3,000 per month as a royalty. It is a fixed. It's no way concerned with the sale and other things. 3,000 will be the royalty, which is a fixed amount per month.
अच्छा, इसमें आप क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करेंगे?
Like इसमें आपको पूरा सेटअप आ जाता सर. If you are planning to set up a kiosk model, entire kiosk will be prepared.
After the setup the store, I'm asking after the setup the store, आप क्या क्या देंगे सपोर्ट में?
नहीं, मतलब सपोर्ट मतलब देखिए सर, अभी आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाह रहे एज ए फोको मॉडल. सो इफ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन ए फोको मॉडल, only you will invest the amount. Okay, that suppose if you are going to invest for Begumpet area example.
Okay.
So for that Begumpet area, particular outlet will be on your name. All the documents like FSSA, GST, everything will be on your name. Behalf of you will take care of the show, like will run the show. So in that, what will happen, we'll provide entire kiosk model, either QS or whatever. Setup also will be done from our end. All the equipments, freezers, necessary accessories, everything will be taken care by us.
Right.
and manpower also taken care by us. Entire recipe, and from here we get a centralized kitchen and warehouse also. All the raw material,
Are you
including
supplying?
fish.
Are you supplying raw material also?
No, no, no. Supply means, see, to run the show, we need that raw material, na? Like basic that paratha will be there, and then stuff curry will be there, onion, whatever the ingredients, it will be supplied from my centralized store. If it is in a Hyderabad, I'm talking about.
Okay. In Hyderabad, you are supplying.
Sir, in Hyderabad, we got FOCO models, franchisee owned, company operated. आपका कौन सा location है sir?
Pune, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, Pune. In that case, you want to plan a standalone outlet, or you want to go for master franchisee kind
No,
of.
no,
Pune is also having good market in. Okay.
Yes. I need only one outlet. That's it.
One outlet.
Yes.
Yeah, with the same investment, we can set it down, sir.
But if material is a fresh, no, you are making here.
No, in that case, what we'll do, we'll send the recipes and SOP, standard operation procedure will be shared to you. That
Who is making
local,
material? Who is making the material?
that whoever is employing, you will be recruiting, na?
Okay, chef.
Employee. Yeah, yeah.
Chef.
Oh, that chef or
वो इधर जगह पे
employee.
बनाएगा फिर in the day we are selling some foods, we are prepare that, and end of the day it's not sell out. So what?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, for whatever the recipes we are preparing, the shelf life is 2 to 3 days. You need not to worry at all. If you are in a position to put in a proper chiller or something with the proper temperature, so there is no worry at all. So there is zero. It's almost zero wastage you can consider.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir, anybody got any doubts? किसी को doubt है तो you can clarify.
Yeah, Mr.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
So thank you so much, sir. You say this is the first time you have presented, but it was very informative. Thank you so much. My only question, sir, I understand this is a FOCO model, but if it is done in other states and cities,
Yes.
I presume it must be a FOFO model, no, sir? Franchisee owned, franchisee operated.
Yes, yes,
Because
sir.
I guess the company is based out of Hyderabad.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Okay. And the second question is, sir, is this chef oriented or this is not chef dependent?
No, sir, that is the main magic of our franchisee concept. You don't require any chef. Even whatever the product you are planning to implement, if you are preparing with the layman also, you will get the same outputs. You will get 90 to 95% output, same. So there won't be any, whatever the minor variation is there, no one can identify that also. So you need not to worry about chef. Only professional chef is not required for this. Anybody can prepare this. Even if his owner is also interested and he can do with a leisure time or something, he can also train, and whoever is coming, they can train themselves. That is the main advantage of these concepts.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes. Yes.
किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए. सर हेलो.
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, sir.
यस सर बोलिए. आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा. यस महेश जी.
मैं कोल्हापुर
महेश जी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा आपका.
ठीक है, मैं
यस सर बोलिए.
आ रही आवाज.
यस सर.
मैं कोल्हापुर महाराष्ट्र से बात कर रहा हूँ.
सर बोलिए सर.
हाँ सर,
मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि मेरे पास जगह है सर, एक 1000 स्क्वायर फीट का एक है, 1400 स्क्वायर फीट का एक है, और
Okay.
रूफटॉप 3000 स्क्वायर फीट का है।
Okay,
लेकिन
sir.
मुझे होटल लाइन में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। आपको जगह लग सकता है क्या कोल्हापुरा महाराष्ट्र में?
Nahi, sir. Actually, we are focusing at the moment in Hyderabad. If any franchisee people are interested, they can go ahead. Because our own outlet is not going to establish in other states at the moment. If
ऐसा
any franchisee guys are interested, then we are planning to give the franchise. For
अच्छा
model.
अच्छा सर।
Even though we don't require that much space, sir, honestly, whatever the space you are telling, it's quite high, which will be useful to restaurants especially, not for the small setups or small investments.
अच्छा
Yeah, because you are telling more than 1500 SFT and 3000 SFT, na?
या
Those things will be suitable to restaurant concept only. So these all are the small concepts, and we are focusing on the small budget.
आपका ऐसा
Actually.
कुछ नहीं है कॉन्सेप्ट?
Sorry?
आपका कुछ ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है?
अभी फिलहाल के लिए नहीं है सर,
अच्छा
तो बड़ा सेटअप अभी नहीं है. फर्स्ट वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द दिस मॉडल ओनली एट द मोमेंट.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू फॉर द ऑफर सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
क्वेश्चन या कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजिस्टर कर दीजिए.
मिस्टर हेलो मिस्टर
Yes,
शिव
sir.
जी,
यस सर.
एक बार प्लीज अपना जो कियोस्क मॉडल है और क्यूएसआर मॉडल है उसका
Yes, sir.
फाइनेंशियल दोबारा शेयर कर दीजिए.
श्योर
कुछ
श्योर.
इन्वेस्टर्स ने भी ज्वाइन किया है, देन दे वांट टू नो अबाउट क्यूएसआर एंड कैफे मॉडल,
ओके
इन्वेस्टमेंट, मार्जिन, आरओआई,
ओके सर,
एवरीथिंग.
श्योर सर. Sir, once again I welcoming whoever joined late. जो लेट ज्वाइन हुआ उन लोगों के लिए. So this is a brand. This is by name Asli Roll, and this brand is based out of Hyderabad. So the main menu will be, course of the menu will be like rolls will be there, chicken chop, and then desserts will be there. Sir. And it's completely in a FOCO model, franchisee owned, company operated. So wherever you are there, like pan India or across the world, wherever, just you will be investing and will run the show. So your presence is not required. It's not a mandatory thing. If you are available in Hyderabad, it's well and good. If not, also no issue. So what we'll do, you will be the investors for this particular outlet, specific outlet, and then all the documentation will be on your name, including that rental agreement, everything. And then rental, of course, rental agreement will be on company's name, and the entire kiosk setup or QSR will be there on the franchisee owner's name, including GST, FSSA, everything. So we'll run the show. In this, what you will do, will give 60-40 ratio after removing all the expenditure. Like expenditure means you will get the rental of that particular premises, employee salary, and raw material cost, GST, and other miscellaneous expenditure, whatever, packing material, etc., etc. After removing all the expenditure, whatever the net margin profit will be there, the profit will be shared in a 60-40 ratio. And this beauty of this concept is we are giving the minimum guarantee also on the net amount, net investment. Suppose आप 5 lakhs invest किए, उसमें से franchisee fee or whatever the advance to the owner, वो दोनों निकालने के बाद your net investment is 4 lakhs, suppose. On the 4 lakhs, you will get 24%. That is a minimum. 8,000 is the minimum guarantee. That is a mandatory. Whether that store will perform or not, you will get that amount. That is a mandatory thing. Whichever is higher, if it is your profit is less than that 8,000, so we'll pay from our pocket. If it is more than that, you will be happy and we'll be happy. That way the concept will be. Whichever is highest, will do that. So you need not to worry at all about the manpower, recipes, advertisement, branding, everything will take care. And whatever if you are occupied with your existing business or job, you need not to worry at all. You can do as usual. Just will take care of everything. We'll take the entire responsibility on our shoulder and we'll run the show. For that only, we are taking the revenue sharing. And then this one is founded by my co-founder, my wife, and we both are passionate about food industry. And then we started this. See, this is the one I told you, like minimum guarantee of the business model. That is which I told you just now. And we get a strong supply chain. If it is a FOCO model, all the raw material and recipes, everything will be sent from our centralized kitchen and warehouse will be there at Vidyanagar. From there, we'll send all the material to particular store, specific store. So whoever is investing will be giving that dashboard access to that particular investor to that outlet. So he can check any point of time what is the stock gone to that particular outlet on that particular day. And then what is the sale, what is the volume, what's happening, hourly basis also you can check. And we are going to give a online webcam access also. So wherever you are, if suppose you are there in Punjab or Mumbai or wherever, you can invest and you can check from there also. So there is no investors like franchisee owners presence is also not needed. So we get a strong supply chain, as I said, and best in class quality. We got nearly 50 products, 50 plus products in the menu, and we'll keep adding the menu items based on the market situations. Additions and deletions will be there according to the market conditions in the menu. And then it's a known best quality of food product. And we got a good tie-up with the very best suppliers in the local market. And why Asli roll? See, we got excellent margin and we got a standard operation procedure. And the main advantage of our brand is like you don't require any professional chef. If he's a professional chef, you need to pay more and your budget will not permit to pay that much salaries. And it's quite difficult also. Again, you need to go for a professional chef only. So you need not to go for any professionals. Even a layman can also prepare our food. You will get the same output. Anyone can prepare that. Only they need to follow the standard procedure. And then we got regular research, and already we did so many research on this particular project, more than 1.5 years. After that only we implemented this project. So at the moment we got 2 outlets in Hyderabad. One is at Himayatnagar, one more is at our existing outlet, that is at Vidyanagar. So you got a lifetime training support will be there. Aapko training support milega. And transparent billing system like cloud based billing system milega aapko. So aap kidhar bhi raho, you can log in to that particular outlet, whichever is allocated to you. You can check what's happening in that particular store. And every month, as on before 5th, between first se leke 5 तारीख के अंदर, whatever the amount you need to get, will do the online transfer. Everything will be, accountability will be there. So online payment will be done to your accounts. So it's a very low cost and high return business, and we'll be giving 24/7 support. It's a well established brand. We are there in this industry since 7 to 8 years almost. And then we believe in 100% transparency. As I said before, asking the investors. So obviously people may get that doubt. How we can monitor the things. So that is the reason we are giving the online web access to them, so they can monitor everything from their end. If they're in office also, they can spare some time, 5 to 10 minutes, and they can log in between and they can check whenever they require. And you will get a quick ROI. Maximum ROI will be very soon you will get. We are giving maximum 18 to 24 months. Within that only you will get, but maximum time we are giving as a 18 to 24 months. And staff training and support, everything will be taken care by our brand itself. We'll do the help in marketing and digital marketing. Everything will be taken care by us. So these are the marketing strategy. Already we got in Hyderabad, we listed out near about 60 to 70 various potential areas to work out this project. See, down the line, 1 year, we are going to plan 40 to 50 outlets in Hyderabad itself. So we get a entire list of that particular areas, potential areas, and wherever our kiosk model will suits, like in front of supermarkets, IT segments, IT corridors, cinema theaters, big universities, colleges like engineering colleges and everything. So we'll take care of all this print media, corporate offers, we'll give digital media, experts, and we got voice media, everything will take care of all the marketing activities and promotional activities. So we'll collect the database of the customer also. So as it is a cloud-based thing, all the data will be available with us. So whatever the offers, whatever the what you call promotionals we are going to put, we can send a mail to them. Mail blast and SMS blast will be there. We'll take care of that marketing activities also. So being a franchisee, you need not to worry at all regarding to that marketing activities. And then see here we got two models, that is QSR, quick service restaurant, and one more is kiosk model. Kiosk is nothing but we will get a small dabba, 6x6 size will be there. It will be suits in everywhere. As I said, supermarket क्यों हम चुन लिया बोले तो your supermarket you will get minimum crowd per day 400 to 500 based on the supermarket reputation. So there you will get the minimum business, that crowd pulling will be there existing. And regarding to rentals also, there will be small rentals comparatively other. If you are planning to take a shutter, you need to pay minimum certain advance amount also, like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs. It depends on the area and depends on the size of the shutter. So those things will not be there in the kiosk model. If it is IT segment, there also they may charge very low thing, this thing based on the company to company. It depends again. Somewhere we can put in a malls also. Malls again, rent will be quite expensive, but still you will get the business also will be like that only in the malls and other places. So for the kiosk, the investment will be between 4.5 to 5 lakhs. If it is a QSR, you need to invest 6 to 7 lakhs because that rental will be more, and interior part and seating etc will be there in the QSR model. The menu remains same again. So only that comfortable sitting and ambience, everything will be there in the QSR model. It all depends on the investor, whoever is investing. If they want to build a standard setup or something, then they can go for QSR, or else existing premises or something is there. So they may require a minimum 200 to 500 SFT for the QSR model. If it is a kiosk model, just they require 50 SFT, more than sufficient. And actually the franchisee fee will be 1 lakh. As due to this COVID scenario, we are offering 50K, that is 50,000 plus 18% GST. Altogether it will become 59,000 will be the one-time franchisee fee, which is non-refundable. So and monthly will be charging 3,000 as a royalty, which is fixed one. So after removing all that expenditure only, remaining amount will be shared to that investors. And equipments, everything will be taken care by us. Furniture part, lighting, branding, board, glow sign board, everything will be taken care by us. So this is our menu. You can check in our website also. That is www.asliroll.com. So these are the menu items. You got various flavors in the rolls like veg, paneer, paneer tikka, paneer chettinad, chicken chettinad, like that it will be. And we got chicken chops also. That is a very good item. It will serve with the parota. So stomach filling one. That menu price is also very less actually. And then we do have various range of desserts, like besan laddu starts from 10 rupees to we got 100 rupees. That is a maximum menu range. So it is affordable to all the range people, like middle class and below middle class people also can afford our menu range. So they need not to worry at all regarding the billing or crowd pulling or something. So these are the products. This is the roll, and then chicken chops, and then muffin. These are the menu items, some of the menu items of our menu. And see, this is the procedure. So you need to pay the minimum token advance, something like franchisee fee. After that, if you want, you can take some certain time also, 1 month or 2 months due to this corona things. And then letter of intent will be, you will be get the receipt kind of, and then we'll start searching the location if it is a FOCO model and if it is in Hyderabad. If it is a FOCO model and if it is in some other place like other states like Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Punjab, like that, they need to take care of that entire procedure. So in other states, we are going to give in a FOFO model, franchisee owned, franchisee operated. So we'll give the support to them. All the material, like material in the sense, recipes will be sent from Hyderabad, and remaining local material should be taken care from franchisee owner itself, like locally available like paneer, chicken, onions, etc., etc. They need to purchase from their end only. Only recipe and standard operation procedure and that particular chef's training will be taken care from our end. This is the model, entire model. You can contact us on the 9246-456-785. This is my number. Same number, we got WhatsApp also. So after completion of the session also, whatever the doubts you got, feel free, you can ask and you can get rectified. You can clarify. जो भी doubt है, you can पूछ सकते.
Hello.
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I have one more question for you, sir.
Yes, sure, sir.
If it is apart from Hyderabad, it will be a FOCO model, and in that case, I guess the margin also will be more because it will be managed by the franchisee owner, and he'll be operating it also the same time.
See, sir, the recipe cost remains same. See, the raw material cost may vary city to city.
Yes, sir.
So actually the main ingredients will be provided by, as suppose if you are from other state, the main recipes will be provided from our end. Rest
Yes,
of the item like chicken or paneer or local other items will be there. Other, so many other ingredients will be there. Those things you need to procure from your end. So based on that, your margins will be decided. See, in Hyderabad, we got already, we are there in this industry since 7 to 8 years. So that was the reason we got all the setup, including my bakery, everything is there with me.
Correct.
So that was the reason, whatever the menu items in Hyderabad, we can prepare our own and we can send it to concerned outlet. If you want to run the show from your place, then you need to go for FOFO model, and all the local ingredients and other stuff you need to buy on your own.
But you will be providing the training for it, no, sir?
Training and recipes will provide. See, if it is curry, आपको paneer curry बनाना चाह रहे, paneer chettinad curry बनाना चाह रहे, we'll give all the procedure and the recipes also, the chettinad recipes and everything, tikka recipes, everything will be given from our end.
So even in this case, are you giving the minimum guarantee, or is case mein minimum
No,
guarantee?
for FOFO we are not giving any guarantee, because in FOCO model I am the one who is operating, so that is the reason confidently I can give the commitment. If FOFO model, if that person is not able to perform well, so it's quite difficult for us. No one can guarantee. Yeah. So
can anybody from other states, since other states maybe he will not have the expertise, if he wants to invest in Hyderabad, even that is possible, right?
Yeah, that is possible. See, if you are there in Mumbai or somewhere, so you are from
Bangalore.
So if you are from Bangalore and if you are a employee or you are already occupied with the existing business also, as usual, you can continue with your business and you can enjoy with work or whatever. Just you will be investor for me. Suppose आपके लिए मैं एक particular location मादापुर selection site selection आप कर लिए. Okay, then that particular Madhapur outlet will becomes your own outlet, and all the documentation procedure will be on your name. Only the show will be run from my end. I will run the show, yeah, and I will give the minimum commitment also.
The agreement is for 5 years or 3 years?
Yeah, 5 years. 5 years.
Okay.
So this franchisee fees also, it's a one-time investment, non-refundable. 5 years के लिए ये चलेगा आपको.
और ये आप 24% 8,000 वो कैसे कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा आप बता सकते हो?
Yeah, sure. See, the calculation means 5 lakhs out of 5 lakhs franchisee fee में आपको 59,000 जाएगा. And if I am placing some kiosk in front of supermarket, suppose if the rent of that particular supermarket, if it is say 15,000 example, they may ask for minimum 3 months as a advance. Am I right, sir? So 45,000 and 59, almost 1 lakh is gone there itself. That whatever the advance amount we paid to that owner, however, it is going to come back to us after the completion of tenure or whenever we are going to wind up or whatever. So in that case, that 1 lakh is been kept aside. Only net investment will calculate as a 4 lakhs. Am I right? For that 4 lakhs, we are giving the 24% as a commitment. That means you will get it minimum 2 rupees is the interest you can consider. That means 8,000 you will get. That is the minimum guarantee which we are going to give. And the main advantage of the FOCO model is like, see, if you're occupied with something or if you are not able to run the show, you can run the show with only one person. If that particular person is not able to come, you cannot afford second person as a salary. It will be overheads for you. So in my case, if it is a FOCO model, what we can do, every 4 outlets, we can recruit a spare person. If anybody missed out, we can relocate with these persons. Got my point, sir?
Yes, sir. And this minimum guarantee will increase with every year, or it will be stagnant?
No, it will be stagnant, because obviously, and 99% I can assure that you will get more than that. But still, some outlets, sometimes it depends on the situations. All the outlets will not be performed in a same manner. Some outlet may perform well, some outlet may perform little low, like that it will be. And certain cases, what we'll do, if every month, if it is not performing that minimum commitment also, it will be burden for me. Obviously, I will try to change the location or something. That part also will be taken care of. We won't ask you the additional investment also for that. Suppose unfortunately, if you invested certain area, वो area में आपको थोड़ा business कम हुआ, then we'll see for 3 months and we'll do all the exercises. If it is not picking up or something, then obviously we'll engage a auto and we'll move that dabba to some other place. So that option, that flexibility will be there. Got my point, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for answer.
Yeah.
Yes, किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेज हैंड कर दीजिए. संदीप जी.
हेलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, शिव कुमार जी, गुड इवनिंग.
Yeah, very good evening, sir.
हेलो.
Yeah, बोलिए sir. I'm able to hear you.
शिव कुमार जी, एक्चुअली में हाँ, कि कंफ्यूजिंग फोको मॉडल बताया.
Sir.
FOCO model is open for Hyderabad only. FOCO model.
Yeah.
And out of Hyderabad, it is FOCO model.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay. In FOCO model, you are charging only royalty at the rate of 3,000.
Sir, आपका वॉइस कट हो जा रहा है सर, ब्रेक हो रहा है in between.
Okay.
Yeah, now it is good.
In FOCO model.
Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In FOCO model.
Yeah, बोलिए sir.
You are charging 3,000 as a royalty per month.
Sir. Yes, sir.
यही है ना सर?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. और इन FOCO model it is 60-40. Okay. तो रेसिपी की कुछ कॉस्ट रखी होगी आपने मिनिमम, वो हमें कुछ पे करना पड़ेगा. रेसिपी का मतलब जो भी मटेरियल्स होगा.
नहीं, वैसा नहीं है सर. सी सपोज अपना सेल पर मंथ 3 लाख समझिए, 3 लाख अपना सेल है, एन एवरेज 10,000 इज द सेल एग्जांपल. दैट मींस 3 लाख इज पर मंथ. सो उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, मटेरियल कास्ट, रॉ मटेरियल कास्ट जो भी अपन मार्केट से मंगाते.
ओके.
सपोज दैट मटेरियल कास्ट इज सपोज नियर अबाउट 1.5 lakh, and then premises rent, electricity bill, employee salary, GST, packing material, miscellaneous, etc., transportation, सब निकालने के बाद सपोज आपका नेट प्रॉफिट 2.5 लाख खर्चा हो गया, समझ, इन दैट 3 लाख सेल, 2.5 lakh खर्चा हो गया. Then 50,000 is the remaining amount. In that 60-40, that is 30,000 to you, 20,000 to us. This is the concept.
This is
अगर
in FOCO model.
FOCO models.
In FOCO model, okay. Or in FOCO model?
FOCO model only will provide the recipe to you, and local material all things should be taken care by you, like paneer, chicken, onion, जो भी ingredients रहता, that and all you need to
Okay.
purchase on your own things. So only that main recipes, main ingredients जो भी रहता, that will be shared and will be provide the chef training, and then will provide the what you call standard operation procedure to you, like किसमें क्या डालना, कितना डालना, वो पूरा रेसिपी हिसाब से रहता, वो हिसाब आपको शेयर कर जाएगा.
तो उसमें आप लोग 3,000 चार्ज करेंगे पर मंथ.
यस यस.
और वो कब चार्ज करेंगे, जब प्रॉफिट में आएगा तब?
वैसा नहीं है सर, वो रॉयल्टी इज ए मैंडेटरी, जनरली बेस्ड ऑन द ब्रांड एंड 5 से लेके 10% तक लेगा सर मार्केट में.
वो स्टार्ट कब से
बट सर
फ्रॉम व्हेन इट विल स्टार्ट, कब से स्टार्ट होगा?
वो फर्स्ट 3 months we are planning to give waiver ups sir, because it will take some time to saturate the store everyone. Minimum 3 months तो लगे ही लगेगा. तो बाद में after 3 months it will be started. First 3 months तो absolutely कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा.
Okay.
For the FOFO model, for the FOFO model.
Okay, and contract is for 5 years.
Yes sir, 5 years.
And after
5 years के बाद अपन renewal भी कर ले सकते हैं, no problem at all.
उसके बाद फ्रेंचाइजी फीस लगे, मतलब कि कितना
Yes sir,
लगेगा?
franchisee fee सेम लगेगा, जो भी फ्रेंचाइजी फी रहेगा. ऑब्वियसली मिनिमम आपको 1.5 year के अंदर ही आपका ROI वापस आ जाएगा सर, 100%. Or else if you are not comfortable with the FOFO model, you can try with one in a FOCO model. Based on the performance, you can try on your own also. That option is also available, and you need not to worry at all about the accountability and transparency. Everything is transparent here. इधर से आपको एक टिश्यू पेपर गए तो भी रिकॉर्डेड विल बी देयर. अगर आपको इधर देखिए, अपने पास एक 50 रोल्स का मटेरियल भेजा हुआ है आपका आउटलेट के लिए, एंड देन 50 रोल्स उधर आपको हिसाब देना, नहीं तो मटेरियल शुड बी लेफ्ट आउट. अगर 30 रोल बिक गया, रिमेनिंग 20 शुड बी देयर एट योर आउटलेट. दैट वे यू कैन चेक. आप एनीवेयर, आप किधर भी रहने दो, यू नीड नॉट टू वरी एट ऑल. सिंगल एनपीवी आपको वेरिएशन नहीं आएगा.
लेकिन ये चल जाएगा आउट ऑफ हैदराबाद, जैसे पंजाब की बात हो रही थी अभी
सर? पंजाब का फोको मॉडल नहीं है, वो फोफो मॉडल में एक्चुअली दैट सार गाट ऑलरेडी वन रेस्टोरेंट, उसको ऑलरेडी एक चल रहे सो रेस्टोरेंट है कहते हैं, उसी में ही इज प्लानिंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट. देन आई सेड इट विल बी इजी फॉर हिम, एंड जो भी कास्ट है ना थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा उसको, ऑलरेडी उसके पास फ्रीजर गीजर सब होगा ना, that budget also will be कम होगा और कस्टमर भी ऑलरेडी जम गया से होगा. For him it will be very easy. Only that recipe and all will be sent from our head office, that is Hyderabad.
Okay, ठीक है, thank you.
Thank you sir, thank you very much.
Yes, 5322. Hello, 5322. Yes sir, बोलिए. 532254F. यस, किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में जाके रेजेंट कर दीजिए. किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है? यस, आई बोल.
हेलो
हाँ सर बोलिए.
सर, मैंने अपना नंबर दे दिया है. मुझे आपका जो मेनू है
सर,
रोल का,
सर.
स्पेशल आपका रोल ही होगा. रोल आपका असली रोल है तो रोल का ज्यादा सेल होगा आपका, बराबर?
Yes sir, yes sir. Rolls and desserts also will be there.
Yeah, but basically you are getting much more sale in a rolls because your
Yes, obviously.
name is asli roll.
Name itself asli roll. Yes sir, obviously.
Dessert is a peanut with a chakna.
Sorry?
Peanut like a chakna with a drink. Your drink is a roll.
Yes sir.
I'm talking on that. सर, इसका स्टार्टिंग रेट क्या है?
प्राइसिंग, मेनू प्राइसिंग पूछ रहे सर आप?
हाँ हाँ.
रोल का आपको 50 रुपीज से शुरू होता है सर.
और कब का एंड है?
रिमेनिंग डेजर्ट्स इट्स मैक्सिमम 100 रुपीज.
50 to 100 all rolls.
Yeah, every item below that only.
Okay. And
Maximum
secondly,
starts from 10, 20, 30 rupees also there, various menu.
What type of roll you are serving? Like a chicken, paneer?
We got everything sir. Veg roll is there, egg, chicken, paneer. Chicken में अलग अलग flavors है again.
Mutton?
Chicken chettinad. Mutton अभी फिलहाल नहीं है sir.
Fish?
No, वो अभी नहीं है. Just वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ ए रेगुलर फास्ट मूविंग आइटम जो भी है उसमें से कर रहे हैं, देन डाउन द लाइन कस्टमर का हिसाब से बेस्ड ऑन द कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट उसमें मेनू एडिशन डिलीशन होगा ही होगा सर, ऑब्वियसली इफ वट एवर द आइटम इज नॉट मूविंग, मूवेबल आइटम जो भी नहीं रहता, we'll make a list out and very soon we'll remove that. Instead of that we'll start implementing new menu, because अगर आप रेगुलर कस्टमर है अपना, एवरी डे आपका सेम मेनू है, कंटिन्यूस 10 दिन आया तो आपका हमारा मेनू पूरा खत्म हो गया, बाद में इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. सो दैट वे व्हाट विल डू, अपने पास जो भी नहीं बिक रहा उसका हिसाब से, और area to area it may vary, like if it is in Andhra Pradesh the menu items will be different, like that based on the local market we'll do the case study according to the customer requirement and analyzation will doing the implementations. जो भी डिलीट करना एडिशन करना हम करते हैं.
मटेरियल कॉस्ट 50% आता है क्या आपका?
यस सर, एन एवरेज 45 to 50 एवरेज, एक में कम होगा एक में ज्यादा भी होगा, डिपेंड्स.
एंड नॉन वेज रोल लाइक चिकन वगैरह, इसमें हर रोल में आपका एक जाता है कि एक नहीं डालते, क्या कैसे है?
नॉन वेज में एक जाता है सर,
ईच एंड एवरी नॉन वेज.
यस हाफ एक जाता, वेज में तो बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
और विल सेग्रीगेटिंग बोथ हम क्या है ना, वो दूर रखते हैं वो बगिना वगैरह, वेज वालों को प्योर वेज ही मिलेगा, नॉन वेज वालों को नॉन वेज.
और ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे चलता है या इसके लिए आपको गैस वगैरह लगेगा?
हम गैस का ही इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं सर, क्यों बोले तो ये कियोस्क मॉडल है ना, अगर कभी करंट गए तो वी कैन नॉट एफर्ट फॉर द जनरेटर एंड अदर स्टेप, सो कस्टमर का गिराक खराब हो जाता. अगर गैस है समझिए आपको कभी भी यू कैन, सो इसलिए वी आर प्रेफरिंग द गैस वन. अगर सपोज स्पेशल केसेस में वी मे गो फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल आल्सो, बिकॉज आईटी सेगमेंट है, सिनेमा थिएटर्स है, उन लोग में भी वो अलाउ नहीं करेगा, वैसा जगह में वी मे चेंज द कॉन्सेप्ट, विल गो फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल वन.
ओके.
सिचुएशन टू सिचुएशन डिपेंड होगा.
और इसका मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी कंसेप्ट आपने बताया नहीं, आपके पास रेडी क्यों?
यस सर, मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी बोले तो देखिए अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, मिनिमम 2 to 3 आउटलेट्स अपना खुद का ओपन करे तो देन इट विल बी इजी. आप यू आर फ्रॉम सर? पुणे actually IT wise also very good sir. Pune got good market actually.
Yes, it's very good market.
Very good market. So अभी क्या है ना, इनिशियली अपना खुद आउटलेट्स अगर एक दो इनिशियली एट ए टाइम नहीं, फर्स्ट एक शुरुआत करके डाउन द लाइन 3 to 6 months होने के बाद बेस्ड ऑन द सिचुएशंस इफ यू कैन गो फॉर वन मोर आउटलेट देन इट विल बी इजी टू अट्रैक्ट द पीपल. फर्स्ट अपना खुद का आउटलेट रहे तो ही पीपल विल गो फॉर द थिंग. अभी देखिए मैं अब जितना भी बोलिए हवा में बोलने का या सिस्टम में बोलने का, पेपर में बोलने का अलग रहता. अगर सीधा आप लोकेशन पे लेके जाके बाबू दिस इज द सेटअप, दिस इज द रीजन यू नीड टू इन्वेस्ट दिस मच, दिस इज द टेस्ट, दिस इज द सेल, पूरा बताया समझिए. अभी पुणे में भी based on the area to area sale may vary. If you go to IT segment area, the sale might be quite high. If you go to some other area, the what you call sale volume might be little plus minus will be there na. It depends on the area, they can decide.
और आपने पर डे जो आपका रोल है, एवरेज कितना बिक जाता है रोल पर डे का?
अभी अपना देखिए सर, लॉकडाउन का वजह से अभी तो पूरा बंद है अपना. 8 तारीख से इधर तेलंगाना में ओपन होने वाला है. उससे पहले जो है एन एवरेज हम 120 से लेकर 150 के बीच में बेचता था.
अच्छा, एक सवाल
ओनली रोल्स दैट टू हमारा विद्यानगर एरिया जो है उतना मतलब इट्स नॉट ए हाई पोटेंशियल एरिया ऑनेस्टली. क्यों बोले तो हमारा एग्जिस्टिंग लोकेशन बोल के ये करे थे and we opened one more at हिमायत नगर sir. In fact वो उगादी को ओपन होने वाला था, मतलब बिफोर लॉकडाउन 25th को ओपन होने वाला था. ड्यू टू दिस लॉकडाउन वो ऐसा ही बंद पड़ा हुआ है. We mostly within a 1 week or 10 days we are going to open that also.
One more thing, अभी कोविड के कारण हाइजीन का काफी लोग अभी ध्यान रख रहे हैं. जैसे रोड अगर रेस्टोरेंट जाते भी तो डिस्टेंस रख के खड़े हो रहे हैं. और फूड का काफी अभी कम है. कोविड के बाद भी शायद ये अभी साल भर तक कोई, मुझे नहीं लगता कि लोग खाने के लिए इतना बाहर जाएंगे.
नहीं सर, वो एक्चुअली इवन इससे पहले ड्यू टू कोविड मेरे को भी ये डर था, हम ये टाइम में ये किया कैसा होगा क्या होगा बोल के. Absolutely you need not to worry at all sir, because you can cross verify with the records. It's not my word or something. So ऑनलाइन पे जितना भी बिक रहा ना, कोविड से पहले अभी ज्यादा बिक रहा सर.
एग्री,
सो
मगर
नाउ
ये
नाउ
जो
आपको जो रेस्टोरेंट का बिजनेस जो होगा वो थोड़ा बहुत कम होगा, बिकॉज सीटिंग के लिए लोग डरने वाला रहता, अलग अलग चीज रहता. बट टेक अवे एंड अदर, as we got so many aggregators like online aggregators like Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, Food Panda, etc., so many upcoming also coming. So you need not to worry at all. शुरुआत में मेरे को भी थोड़ा बहुत डाउट था और डर भी था, मगर अभी पूरा ये हो गया. So
मगर
you
अभी
need
आपका फ्रेश माल बनाते हो आप, हर स्टोर में फ्रेश माल
not- yes,
बनाएंगे
100%.
तो वो जो शेफ है उसका जो हाइजीनिटी है, जैसे वो जगह पे बना रहा है मटेरियल, और ये फिर कैसे आगे कर पाएंगे? प्याज भी वही काटेगा, किचन में काटेगा सब कुछ.
नहीं, अभी देखिए सर, अभी हमारा फोको मॉडल में है तो हम क्या करते हैं, हमारा सेंट्रलाइज्ड किचन से, सपोज हिमायत नगर आउटलेट है मेरा, इधर से 5 किलोमीटर दूर में रहेगा वो. हम क्या थ्रू 2 व्हीलर और 4 व्हीलर विल सेंड दैट मटेरियल टू देम. जो भी कर्री फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट, इसमें 2 रहेगा आपको, फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट रहेगा, सेमी फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट रहेगा, रॉ मटेरियल रहेगा. ये तीनों जोड़ के उधर का उधर ही बनेगा. अभी सपोज आप वेज रोल ऑर्डर दिए एग्जांपल, हमारे पास रोल पराठा सेमी बेक्ड रेडी अवेलेबल रहता है. उसको तवा के ऊपर डाल के दोनों तरफ अच्छा टोस्ट करके, उसमें जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स, अगर वेज बोले तो वेज करी डाल के लपट के आपको जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालना पूरा डाल के पैकिंग करके देगा आपको, इधर इट इज टेक अवे और डाइन इन वट एवर. सो आपको फ्रेश माल मिलेगा. और ऑनियन वगैरह क्या है ना, हम रॉ मटेरियल बेच देते, इधर से 2 किलो 1 किलो 5 किलो जो भी है बेच देते. उन्हें उधर क्या उधर फ्रेशली जितना होना 1-2 काट के रखेगा, जिप खत्म होते ही फिर again he will go for one more, like that it will be.
ओके सर.
आपको 0% मटेरियल वेस्टेज भी रहेगा सर मैक्सिमम. और अपना कर्री जो भी है, इट विल बी shelf life will be 2 to 3 days if you maintain the proper temperature everything. So in the setup we are going to give one small freezer as well as chiller also, दोनों आइसक्रीम वगैरह रखने के लिए सब मिलेगा. थैंक यू सर.
यस, FE22 सर, वही सर आपका.
यस
हेलो,
या आई एम एबल टू हियर यू.
FE225 सर. हेलो. यस, गैलेक्सी A30.
यस सर.
यस सर, बोलिए.
सर मैं जींद हरियाणा से बात कर रहा हूँ.
ये बोलिए सर. गुड इवनिंग.
गुड इवनिंग सर. सर आपका ये हैदराबाद का ब्रांड है?
यस सर.
ओके, तो आप सर इधर नॉर्थ इंडिया में भी सेटअप करते हैं, इधर हरियाणा साइड?
हरियाणा तरफ से बोले तो अभी फोफो मॉडल में तो हो जाएगा सर.
ओके, फोफो में क्या होता है सर, सीटिंग का?
नहीं, फोफो मॉडल मतलब फ्रैंचाइजी ओन्ड फ्रैंचाइजी ऑपरेटेड. जो फ्रैंचाइजी ले रहे उन्हें ही चलाना पड़ता वो स्टोर को भी.
ओके.
अगर आप काली इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए तो हैदराबाद में हम ये करते, स्टोर को चलाते.
सर मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है, मैं एक्चुअली पहले 4 बजे आ नहीं सका किसी कारण से, तो सर मेरा थोड़ा मिस हो गया इसमें. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट बताएंगे सर क्या है?
यस सर, इसमें आपको 2 तरीका का प्रोडक्ट्स है सर. मतलब कियोस्क एक रहता, कियोस्क छोटा डब्बा जैसा रहेगा, और एक अपना QSR क्विक सर्विस रेस्टोरेंट. ये दोनों मॉडल पे अपन ये असली रोल कॉन्सेप्ट दे रहे. मेनू तो ऑलमोस्ट दोनों में सेम ही होगा. और इसमें क्या है ना, कियोस्क में तो आपको 5 लाख इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, 4.5 to 5 lakhs इंक्लूडिंग फ्रेंचाइजी फी सब मिला के. और इसमें तो आपको 6 to 7 lakhs तक होगा सर. वो भी डिपेंड्स, अगर मड़गी का रेंट ज्यादा है तो इट में इंक्रीज, एडवांस जो रहता है ना वो ज्यादा रहे तो इट में इंक्रीज, डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशंस अगेन. सो इसमें क्या होता है ना, अगर आपको खाली इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहे तो वेरेवर चाहिए, आप किधर भी रहने दो, हरियाणा में रहने दो, किधर भी रहने दो, यू कैन इन्वेस्ट एंड विल टेक द प्रेमिसेस इन हैदराबाद एंड विल रन द शो. हम पूरा स्टोर चला के आपको जो भी है चलाने के बाद जितना भी अमाउंट आता उसके हिसाब से आपको शेयरिंग होगा. 60-40% रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग रहता सर, आफ्टर रिमूविंग ऑल द एक्सपेंडिचर. सपोज अपना 3 लाख का महीने का सेल हुआ, उसमें से 2.5 लाख खर्चा गया, तो रिमाइनिंग 50,000 को 60% आपको देगा, 40% हम लेगा, वैसा रहेगा ये. अगर आप खुद चलाना चाहिए तो आपका प्रेमिसेस में आप ही लगा सकते, मगर वो फोफो मॉडल में होता, आप ही पूरा देखना पड़ेगा. क्यों बोले तो as it is a Hyderabad brand, we cannot operate everywhere. So if it is in Hyderabad,
Okay.
हम खुद देख लेते.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, amen.
शिव कुमार जी, one last
Sir,
question.
बोलिए. Sir, बोलिए sir, please.
सर जी, because अभी what people can do is हम लोग ये एक थ्रेट की तरह भी सोच सकते हैं. मे बी ये इतने दिन थ्रेट की तरह सोच रहा था कोविड को, लेकिन ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है जिसके पास पैसा है. तो मैं मास्टर फ्रेंचाइज का सोच रहा था आपके पास. एक यूनिट के साथ हम लोग मास्टर राइट्स नहीं ले सकते सर आपके पास से? आप बोल रहे थे कि 2 से 3 खोलो, उसके बाद वो
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली 2 से 3 मतलब आपको जितना आउटलेट्स रहेगा उतना ब्रांड इमेज रहेगा सर. कहने का मतलब ये है, अगर इफ यू आर एनफ कैपेबल टू गेट द फ्रेंचाइजीज देन इट्स ओके. बिकॉज सी, अभी कोई भी क्या पूछेगा, पहले आपको कितना एग्जिस्टिंग है बोल के पूछेगा. दैट वाज द रीजन. या इसीलिए, सो इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट विद वन आल्सो, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम सर. लेट अस स्टार्ट वन.
सर मास्टर राइट का
एक्चुअली मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए आपको 10 लाख यूनिट टू पे सर. एंटायर स्टेट को आपको देगा. आप कौन सा स्टेट का है सर?
सर जुबली हिल्स में भी रहता हूँ मैं कभी कभी.
जुबली हिल्स मतलब हैदराबाद से?
हैदराबाद तो आप नहीं दोगे, आप कर रहे हो. तो मेरा कनेक्ट बैंगलोर में या फिर दूसरे प्लेसेस में भी है.
बैंगलोर. सो नाउ वेयर यू वांट टू स्टार्ट सर? अगर मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी आप लेना चाहिए तो वेयर यू वांट टू स्टार्ट?
आई एम थिंकिंग फॉर बैंगलोर आल्सो.
Bangalore is the right place, and maximum, even if it is Andhra guy also, they will start the things. Startup जो भी होता Bangalore से शुरू होगा सर. In fact, Swiggy started also at Bangalore itself. He is a Vijayawada guy actually, one of the founder.
तो आप सारा कर्नाटका को दोगे सर 10 लाख
yeah,
राइट्स?
yes sir, entire कर्नाटका. मतलब कर्नाटका में आपको मेरा हिसाब से बैंगलोर, मैसूर,
मैंगलोर,
काम रहता, and then Bellary, ऐसा हर जगह you can, and it's a very reasonable budget sir. So मतलब कोई भी it's affordable to the customer as well as investor also. अपना मेनू रेंज also starts from 10 रुपए से लेके 100 रुपए के अंदर रहता. मतलब middle class, below middle class, pure people also can afford some of the items from our menu. Whereas in other, yes sir.
सर जी, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट.
नो प्रॉब्लम.
जैसे हम फोफो ले लेते हैं तो ये मार्जिन हमारा ज्यादा हो जाता है क्योंकि ऑपरेशन हम कर रहे हैं. तो उस टाइम पे मार्जिन कितना आप दे रहे हो सर?
सर मार्जिन इट्स ऑल डिपेंड्स सर. ओनली रेसिपी कास्ट जो भी है विल टेक, एंड रिमाइनिंग आप लोकली जो भी इक्विपमेंट प्रोक्योर करते, इट्स ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन, आपके ऊपर डिपेंड होता. अभी देखिए हमारा वी गॉट सर्टेन टाई अप्स विद वेरियस वेंडर्स हियर. अगर आप भी ऐसा ही वेंडर से टाई अप कर सके तो इनिशियली, हॉनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, इनिशियली आउटलेट्स जब तक नहीं बढ़ेगा तब तक यू मे गेट लिटिल मार्जिन सर इन टर्म्स ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल. अभी आप देखिए, आप एक डब्बा खरीद रहे सपोज, यू कैन नॉट नेगोशिएट एंड इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. उन लोग भी नहीं देगा आपको ज्यादा मार्जिन. अगर इफ यू आर इन अ पोजीशन टू टेक 10 डब्बे पर मंथ, पर 15 days, समथिंग लाइक दैट, देन यू कैन गो बैक एंड यू कैन insist them to give the more margin. Am I right sir?
हाँ जी.
इसीलिए आपको जब तक आउटलेट बढ़ेगा तब तक आपको थोड़ा मार्जिन कम ही रहेगा. द मोमेंट आउटलेट्स हैज बीन इंक्रीज्ड, ऑब्वियसली वॉल्यूम से क्या होगा ना, आपको प्रिंटिंग मटेरियल हर चीज क्या है ना कम पड़ता ऑब्वियसली.
नहीं, लेट मी रिफ्रेज माय क्वेश्चन सर. इफ आई हैव टू टेक रॉ मटेरियल्स फ्रॉम यू, क्योंकि रॉ मटेरियल्स आप प्रोवाइड करोगे, तो उसका कॉस्ट कितना होगा?
रॉ मटेरियल बोले तो आप अगर बैंगलोर का है, पूरा रॉ मटेरियल वी कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड सर. Only we can give the what you call recipes and all. Remaining item locally you need to see. Suppose paneer, it's quite difficult to supply from here. अगर ऐसा supply करे तो अभी cost इधर उधर से इधर ही बढ़ के आएगा. If I send something from Hyderabad, कुछ मतलब जो main नहीं, frozen वगैरह you need to procure locally sir. बैंगलोर से ही खरीदना बेटर है. हम जो मेन रेसिपी रहता एंड स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेशन प्रोसीजर जो रहता, मतलब आप वेज करी बनाना चाह रहे, उसमें क्या क्या डालना, कितना डालना, क्वांटिटी क्या है, वो पूरा हम आपको विल शेयर द एंटायर प्रोसीजर एंड रेसिपी. उसमें अगर टिक्का है, टिक्का मैरिनेट जो भी है वो हम देगा. बट पनीर, उसमें जो भी जाएगा, पनीर, ऑनियन, चिल्ली, टोमेटो, ऑयल एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, वो पूरा आप यू नीड टू गेट इट फ्रॉम लोकली, लाइक एदर इट इज बैंगलोर और मुंबई और पुणे, वेरेवर इट इज, तभी आपको जम जाएगा.
एक रोल बनाने में कितना होता है सर कॉस्ट, इफ आई मे आस्क इफ दैट इज ओके विद यू?
इट डिपेंड्स सर. अगेन एज आई सेड, अभी देखिए
आपके हैदराबाद में
हमारा तो एन एवरेज देखे तो 45 to 50% is the margin which we are giving, sir, an average.
Okay.
एक में आपको ₹1 कम होगा, एक में ज्यादा होगा. An average you can consider as 50. या अगर outlets बढ़ते जा रहे तो you may increase more 5 to 10% also.
ये ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट है या नेट प्रॉफिट बोल रहे थे?
ये ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट्स.
ठीक है, ठीक है. गुड सर, वेरी नाइस बिजनेस मॉडल.
मार्जिन और भी आपको मतलब outlets बढ़ते बढ़ते you will get more and more margins, obviously.
बहुत अच्छा है सर आपका बिजनेस मॉडल, बहुत अच्छा है.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज अपनी कांटेक्ट डिटेल टेक्स्ट चैट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दीजिए.
Okay, now we are going to end our franchise webinar session. फ्रेंड्स, आज हमने इंडिया बेस्ट फोको मॉडल फूड ब्रांड असली रोल की फ्रेंचाइज जर्नी एंड सक्सेस स्टोरी के बारे में मिस्टर शिव कुमार जी से जाना. फ्रेंड्स, वी होप कि आपको यह सेशन काफी पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको असली रोल की फ्रेंचाइज के बारे में कोई भी क्वेरी है या फ्रेंचाइज में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो प्लीज आप डायरेक्ट मिस्टर शिव कुमार जी से कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं. प्लीज नोट डाउन द कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर. इट्स 9246456785. I am repeating again. It's 9246456785. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने यह वेबिनार लेट अटेंड किया है तो प्लीज आप franchiseapply.com के फेसबुक पेज पर जाकर इस पूरे वेबिनार सेशन को अगेन पूरा देख सकते हैं और अपनी क्वेरीज, अपने क्वेश्चन उसमें कमेंट्स पे जाकर ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, कल हम फिर मिलेंगे न्यू बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी के साथ. कल हम शार्प 11 बजे फूड डिलीवरी एंड कैफे ब्रांड पूरी भाजी की फ्रेंचाइज अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए लेकर आएंगे. और कल ही इवनिंग में शार्प 4 PM पर हम मिनिमम रिवेन्यू गारंटी एजुकेशन बिजनेस मॉडल क्लब ऑफ जीनियस की फ्रेंचाइज अपॉर्चुनिटी लेकर आएंगे. एंड ए वार्म थैंक्स टू मिस्टर शिव जी फॉर एड्रेसिंग टुडे वेबिनार सेशन. शिव सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
आपने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग इंफॉर्मेशन दी आपके ब्रांड के बारे में.
थैंक यू.
एंड फ्रेंड्स, कल मिलेंगे शार्प 11 o'clock विथ न्यू बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी. एंड बाय एंड टेक केयर. थैंक्स टू ऑल.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.